after dating for 5 years, when they already knew that they knew each other, and to give themselves with each other as husband and wife in the future, that is only the time they decided to get married.
Dearest Gerald, I pray that God would lead me to do this choice to you as my husband. Finally, ito na yung pinakahihintay mo. Natin pala. Thank you kasi matutupad na yung isa sa mga pangarap natin, yung makasal. Thank you sa pag-aasikaso halos lahat ng para sa wedding natin. I am truly blessed to have you. Thank you kasi ikaw yung binilaan ng Panginoon para sa amin.
Mayan, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Ito ba? Pang beam, ano yan? Para sa position. Iba Max. Pampano yan? Pampatigas. Pampatigas. Yun. Yun. Tingnan natin. Ano ba to? Ako eh. Ito na. Meron ba ulit? Pera. Oh, kahon. Yun. Nasa akin na yung oras niya. Aanin mo pa yung Rolex kung wala naman siya yung oras ko, di ba?
Hi, my beautiful, gorgeous wife. Sana magustuhan mo yung simpleng regalo ko. Tanda ito na kasama mo ako every step of the way. See you later. I love you. Ganda mo, girl! Thank you, babe! I love you. See you later.
Gerard, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife, Mayan?
Yes, Father.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
From this day on, I choose you to be my dearest husband, to live with you, to love with you, to be with your side in good times and in bad. I vow to grow old with you, to love you faithfully and unconditionally. I love you, babe.
I love you. Thank you, Ma. Ma, Pa. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Nadagdagan lang kayo ng isang anak. Hindi kayo nawala ng anak. Madadagdagan lang kayo ng isa. Nandito pa rin kami palagi sa inyo. Siyempre, hingi kami ng mga nang-advise sa inyo kung paano yung pagpapamilya. Kaya, mahal na mahal ko kayo. I love you po.
Thank you, Tay, sa lahat ng mga sakripisyo ninyo sa amin, simula ng bata, hanggang sa makapagtapos po kami ng pag-aaral. Thank you sa lahat. Ganon din sa'yo, Nay. Thank you. Love you.
Love is in the air. Itong love affair nila Gerard and Mayan start in love is in the internet, because first they met through this media, through this chat media, whatever, Facebook, Messenger, or Viber. So there is love.
Lagi mong tatandaan na mahal na mahal kita, and napakasaya ko ngayong araw na to dahil Mr. and Mrs. Nablo na tayo. And wag kang mag-alala, kahit umiyak ako kanina ng todo-todo, hindi ako tutulad sa mga trend na kapag may umiiyak is maghihiwalay. Babaguhin natin yung pananaw na yun. Nangako ako kay God and hindi ko babaliin yun. Mahalin kita till death do us part.
Stay Will you stay
I love you. I love you every day. I love you always. You are my answered prayer. And you are my one and only. I love you. Asawa ko.
Gerard and Mayan, a happy marriage is about three things. Remember this. Memories of togetherness, forgiveness of mistake, and never give up on each other.